children. A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn something new. Okay children, in playgroup you have learned how to recognize the letters from A to Z. और प्ले ग्रुप में आप लोगों ने लेटर पहचानना सीखा. Here in LKG you will learn how to write the letters with the help of patterns that you had already learned, like standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, and up and down, and many more. And now children, tell me, how many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. And today we are going to learn the first capital letter, capital A. And A says A. And now children, we will see some related pictures of letter A. But before that, we will see how to write the letter through an activity.
Now children, it is activity time. Now let's write capital letter A in this sand. Take your finger and do one slanting line and another slanting line and in the middle slipping line. Which letter is this? Yes, correct. Capital letter A.
For apple, apple. A is for ant, ant. A is for animal, animal. A is for armchair, armchair. A is for alligator, alligator. A is for air, air. A is for aunt, aunt. A is for angel, angel. A is for arrow, arrow.
Introduction of red and blue line.
Children, these are red and blue lines. Okay. First red line, first blue line, second blue line and second red line. Now we will write capital letter A. Put your chalk on the red line, draw a slanting line and touch the second blue line. Again put your chalk on the red line, draw opposite slanting line and touch the second blue line. And in the middle, here on the very first blue line, draw one slipping line, capital letter A. Same way, here also you will write capital letter A. Opposite slanting line and slipping line. It gives capital letter A.
बच्चों, जब आपको स्कूल से बुक्स मिलेगी तब ABC फन बुक यानी कि इंग्लिश बुक में ओपन पेज नंबर 1. विच लेटर इज दिस? कैपिटल लेटर A. A for astronaut, a person who travels in the space. It means in the sky. Apron. A for apron. Apron is the type of cloth which mama wear while cooking food. मम्मी जब खाना बनाती है तो ड्रेस खराब ना हो जाए इसके लिए क्या पहनती है? एप्रन. A for axe. It is a type of tool used to cut the wood. A for abacus. It is an educational tool used for counting numbers like 1, 2, 3 and many more. बच्चों, प्ले ग्रुप में आप लोग क्लास में काउंटिंग के लिए अबकस यूज़ करते थे ना, A for alligator. It is a reptile. It looks like crocodile. One more time. Which letter is this? Capital letter A. A for astronaut. A for apron. A for X. A for abacus. A for alligator.
Okay, children, this is your red and blue line book. And in this book, 2 red line and 2 blue line. Okay. Now, ma'am will show you how to write capital letter A in this red and blue line book. Children, which letter is this? Yes, capital letter A. Now, ma'am will show you how to write capital letter A in this book. First, we have to do tick between 2 blue line. આ બે blue line છે ને એની વચ્ચે તમારે small tick મૂકવાનું like this. And children, how many ticks we have to make? 5 ticks. Okay. 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now ma'am will show you how to write capital letter A. Now first put your finger on first tick. Then put your pencil on first red line. First red line to second blue line. What we have to do? Slanting line like this. Then again red line, first red line to second blue line, opposite slanting line. Then sleeping line on the first blue line, capital letter A. Then put your pointer finger on second tick. Then again first red line to second blue line, slanting line. Then red line to second blue line, opposite slanting line, and sleeping line on the first blue line, capital letter A. Then put your pointer finger on third tick. Then again red line to second blue line, slanting line. Red line to second blue line, opposite slanting line, and sleeping line on the first blue line, capital letter A. Now put your pointer finger on fourth tick. Slanting line, opposite slanting line, and sleeping line, capital letter A. Then fifth tick. Slanting line, opposite slanting line, and sleeping line, capital letter A. Now children, ma'am will show you how to draw A for X. Okay. Now first we have to draw one slanting line. Okay. Then small sleeping line, small standing line, and this sleeping line and standing line we have to join with slanting line. A for X. Okay children.
Now page number 2. Which letter is this? Capital letter A. Draw one related picture for A. Children, you have to draw A for and X in this box. Ma'am has already taught you. Okay. Now trace and write. You have to trace slanting line, opposite slanting line, and sleeping line. You have to trace all these letters. Then slanting line, opposite slanting line, and sleeping line. Like this way you have to complete these lines. Now activity time. Write the capital letter A for the given pictures. Which picture is this? X. What for X? A for X. So we will write capital letter A in this box. Now, which picture is this? Arrow. What for arrow? A for arrow. So we will write A. Now what is this? Abacus. Now what for abacus? A for. So capital letter A. Understood children?
Bye bye children. Do writing practice.